There's been a core shift in the way that video conferencing is done that Vidyo has brought to market.
We said we want to have a system which is capable to run with low bandwidth on the internet with full HD quality.
You now have, thanks to Metcalfe's law, general purpose processing that is more than capable of handling HD encode and decode. You've got a broadband network that's become ubiquitous, whether it be via wireless access or wireline into the home and office. And you have now devices that people have with them all the time, whether they be smartphones or tablets or desktops and such, where all their other business productivity flows through, that is more than capable of becoming video conferencing endpoints.
You don't need a whole lot of bandwidth in order to connect and have a high quality experience. In many cases, we've been able to install video on mobile carts and connect through a wireless Wi-Fi connection and still be able to transmit a high quality video and be productive in our virtual conferences.
We are ready for a new architecture, and that's what Vidyo's brought to the market.
So in the past, all my ability to make certain things possible, working with physicians in a different kind of way, was controlled by this big old clunky technology, big codecs, small networks. Now, when I have a tool like Vidyo, I can immediately make things possible that I couldn't make possible before.
We've gotten rid of that centralized processing that the MCU brought to bear in traditional video conferencing, and replaced it with a lightweight architecture called the Vidyo router, which does no video processing at the core. All the encode and decode happens out at the endpoints, which, number one, saves you a ton of time in terms of processing, getting the video stream from one side to the other. The result, very natural flow of communication.
Vidyo helps lower the total cost of ownership for organizations, so the network doesn't have to be dedicated. Vidyo will work well over any network. And that's due in part to the scalable video coding technology, but also the router technology, how the calls are routed very, very quickly to any device. That really makes a difference to organizations, that they can deploy quickly, get usage quickly, and then scale the number of users very easily.
What is it that the Vidyo router does? Intelligent packet routing. It keeps track of each and every endpoint in the video conference for its bandwidth, its processing power, and even the screen resolution that it's calling for, and will dynamically, multiple times a second, adapt the video streams to that endpoint based upon its unique conditions.
Because of the way that the Vidyo system is set up with their router infrastructure and their portal as a single administrative authority, the Vidyo system is very easy to maintain. There's a few things that you need to manage by yourself, and the rest is all automated inside the system. This means that maintenance and also administrative overhead for the system is minimal.
The end result is you have native rate and resolution matching per endpoint with optimized video experiences for everybody in the call, independent of everybody else. So you now can have handheld mobile devices in the same call with immersive telepresence rooms, with everybody getting exactly what they need, nothing that they don't. This is truly unique. And oh, by the way, it's all done in software. We've eliminated the need for purpose-built hardware. And the implication of that, of course, is software economics. So now not only are you going to get greater performance over lower cost networks and on devices that people already have, but you're also now going to get it at 1/10 the cost of traditional video conferencing.
One of the aspects that drew us to Vidyo not only was the ability to apply to the iPad, but it was ease of use. If the technology doesn't work the first time, and the quality's not where it needs to be, physicians, people will drop it. They won't use it. So what we found with Vidyo is it's reliable, it's easy, and it's of high quality.
The challenge for me with Vidyo is you make a return on investment the first time you turn it on.
Because of the low price point and the ease of implementation, as well as the low cost of ownership, Vidyo allows a different market to adopt to video conferencing. I think that Vidyo is the right product at the right time in the right marketplace.